Welcome to our DemoJam entry presentation. In the following 6 minutes, we will show how emerging deployments of industry-ready sensor platforms allow to drive your existing SAP systems hands-free. We will start by showing you a short demo setup which uses smart agents deployed as employee badges as well as inside our demo tools to track and visualize the whereabouts of tools and personnel in a production setting.
As the employee moves around the shop floor, the smart agent badge he is wearing creates a constant stream of location events which allow us to update his location on the shop floor in this Excelsis dashboard. The event filtering and processing is done by SAP's implementation of an event-driven architecture solution called Live Enterprise. As the employee picks up the tool and takes it to work, we can now correlate the events sent by the tool and the badge to update an ERP system. Live Enterprise actually carries out the transaction IEO2 on behalf of the employee.
Now let us show you how we can use the event stream we receive from our Smart Agent Network solution to ensure that maintenance intervals for specialized high-value items, such as our reciprocating saw, are being followed. First, we connect to the raw stream of events published by our sensor solution. Then we narrow it down to events being sent by the tool in question using a filter node. We then use an SQL dialect to define a rule that triggers a warning message after receiving 4 usage events in a row. We then connect this node up to the previously configured filter node to ensure that we only count the usages of the saw. For demo and debugging purposes, we also add an output node. It will allow us to listen for the warning messages. An additional processing node will listen for these warning messages and convert them into an existing schema, which will automatically be transformed into a command that Live Enterprise hands down to the Smart Agent solution in order to deactivate the saw. Finally, we will add one more output node so that we can make these events visible to you.
Let's deploy this graph and see how this looks on the shop floor. As the saw is used on the shop floor, we receive the expected event stream, the update messages are created, and we can see the command is handed down to the Smart Agent solution. The tool is deactivated and can only be used again after recalibration. All, no hands and still in your SAP backend.